Students appearing for the common university entrance tests in Meghalaya have voiced concerns over unfair centre allotments, citing logistical and financial hardships. Representing them, Ryan Jeffrey Lingdor criticized the system, highlighting cases where students were assigned centres in different cities, forcing them to travel between exams. Others faced long gaps between tests, requiring extended stays and increased expenses. Lingdor urged the National Testing Agency to address the issue and ensure fairer allocations. He also called on the state government to intervene and push for Cuet centres in Shillong to ease the burden on students facing financial constraints.
We would be very much welcomed by the students if the government can take any initiative into providing CVT centres for those students who have been allotted the centres in a far-off city. It would be much welcome and it would be much liked by the students if we could get a CVT centre here in Shillong. We are not asking for CVT to be exempted, rather we are asking for our centres to be much more accessible.